Hello everyone. In this video we will be discussing about how to make art integrated project and art integrated learning. So this is a few of the project which I am going to discuss over here that the old students have made. So this was the project. First we will discuss about art integrated project. This was made on Meghalaya. So these are the certain slides, acknowledgement written by the student. This is the Hindi art integrated project. Hindi writer Anjum Hassan. The information collected on her. Similarly, Sangma and English project also in the similar manner. Some writers from the region are selected and the information written about them. Anjum Hassan again. And the flora and fauna. This is science, integration of science in the project. That is the flora and fauna of that particular state, Meghalaya or Arunachal Pradesh, whichever state you are doing. Then the maths, integration of maths is population of this in the form of pie charts, scheduled tribes and all in that particular region of Meghalaya. Then the population graph of the Meghalaya. Now culture, festival, food. This is the SST part, social science part. Now this much is the art integrated project. Now we will start about art integrated learning. Here Kavita Vajan is being done by the students in the class. So a photo had been clicked and it is shared, and the student have pasted that photo along with the 2 lines of the poem which they have recited in the class. Similarly, recitation of poem in English also done, another poem, and the similar manner photograph being pasted. This the food Arunachal Pradesh, main foods of cheap foods over there. Then the art integrated learning, the study of architecture of that particular region. Monastery, Buddhist monastery, or architecture is being studied by the student, and then different type of shapes used in that monastery, and they have just for example taken some hypothetical values of these radius, length, height, and they have calculated curved surface area of these shapes, total surface area, volumes of these shapes. Again another project, acknowledgement has written, and this is about Shambhunath Singh. The student have written. This is also art integrated learning, and art integrated learning in English poem recitation. Then another one, few more, acknowledgement, literature part, that is art integrated project of English. These are few examples, few more examples, few more slides. This is about maths. The study is being done on the population of Meghalaya, and you look at these bar graphs they have made, and the total male and female of that state and the total population. So it has bar graph in the form of bar graph. It is being depicted, although the scale should be written in the graph, and they have cut out the strips and then pasted over the graph. It is looking good. Similarly, literacy rate of the state, male, female, literacy rate, total literacy rate. Then this is the about the biodiversity present in that state, Meghalaya. Okay, both the plant as well as animal species which are present in that place. Then the different communities of Meghalaya. This is the SST part, and the bamboo house. This is maths part, that they have studied about the bamboo houses in that state, and again taken out some certain areas and they have calculated these lateral surface and volume. Another project, Arundhati Rai study has been done. Then Janice Parrott, silver in sphere, and these are things are there. Similarly, the pie charts of the different religions as well as the different languages and tribes over there. These are the different percentage and population of the different tribes and different religions in the state of Meghalaya. Biodiversity study, culture of Meghalaya, art and craft, weaving, dress they use. Okay, another project, again acknowledgement, water conservation. They have discussed about the water conservation. And writers of Meghalaya, in Hindi they have written an article on water conservation. Then this is the rainfall, total rainfall, annual rainfall of the given state, variation, bamboo drip irrigation system, type of irrigation system used by the state, social science project basically. Different pictures have been pasted. Conservation of water in Meghalaya. Another project in this, again Hindi part. This is again Hindi part. Genus Parrot, again bar graphs showing the population of Meghalaya in the form of bar graph. Total population, male and female population study has been done. Flora of Meghalaya, fauna of Meghalaya, flora and fauna, they have written that and pasted pictures also on that. And total languages and culture of the Meghalaya. That's it. So I think you might have got an idea how to make the art integrated project and art integrated learning. And the objective of this video is to you should be able to now distinguish between the AIP and AIL, and what you can do for different subjects in a particular, for the particular state. Like if it is for Meghalaya, if you are making for Arunachal Pradesh, all these things can be done for Arunachal Pradesh also, and similarly for all other states also. That's it. Thank you everyone.